What's up, guys? Today I just want to do a quick review on the new NTC Nike training app. So previously I've recorded lots of workouts using the previous app. This is the newer version and I've had some comments regarding this new workout, and I agree that before you were able to choose your level, so like beginner, intermediate, or advanced, you could choose how often you exercise and whether you want to use equipment or not. um it's kind of the same, but you can work on your own muscle group. So just say if I want to do glutes and legs, it just shows you a bunch of exercise for glutes and legs. Now it does show you the time for it, like 10-minute hit exercise, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. There are some long ones, 25-minute yoga, all legs and glutes. But when you click into it and you start the workout, what you notice, it is playing, right? View the drills. This is just a preview. Okay, so the workout is going on. Why does this not click off? Let's pause that. So what's happening here is it just shows you the video of some guy doing the tutorial. But I did some other workouts and you can follow along with the person, but this time you have to, there's a lot of app controls, so you can't let the app run while you're exercising, because it's hard enough exercising and then you have to go back and you have to view all this stuff and you complete the workout. So I guess you can go at it at your own pace a lot more, but there's a lot of app annoying stuff. Are you sure? Yeah, so I want to end this workout. Which one did I do before? I want to get out of here. No, I don't want Google Fit. No, I don't want that. So I want to browse the workout. So let's see. There was a boxer one that I did. Yeah, the boxer burner for 30 minutes. So previously they had this workout and it was more logical. You could follow the steps. So for this one, so this one just plays. So this one is like the traditional NTC app where you have everything and it just has the timer so you can follow along. Let me go to some of the new exercises. Whiteboard workouts. Start workout. Yeah, so these, I guess the whiteboard workouts are the new ones and they're not as good. So that's what I was doing first. Trainer-led classes. See, these are just videos like you'd search for on YouTube. You just play it, start workout, and you just follow along while they talk. It is slightly improved when it comes to, like, if you like to follow where there's a trainer telling you what to do and kind of giving you advice and stuff like that. But when I was doing the intense workouts for 45 minutes, it's kind of a lot easier to do the old school type workouts, like the boxer burner there. So let's see, the yoga flow I think was another one. So you'll find some of the vinyasa, I think this one. Oh no, this one I think is trainer led. So you see, it's just a video where you follow along. Before it was step by step, and it'll have the workout, or the movements that you need to do, and you'll just follow it in a linear fashion. Short workouts. Yeah, and that's it. So what I find with the new app is that the workouts are kind of not as easy to follow, and a lot of viewers have told me that they don't like that they got rid of the old style, because the old style was a lot easier to follow, and there's less waffle. You just do the exercise. If you got a break, or if you need to do 10 reps, you do your 10 reps, then you click next, and there you go. And it's very automated. You don't have to keep going back to the app to tell the app that you're finished doing what you're done. Yeah, so that's a quick review of the new NTC app. I have not recorded any workouts with this because I just don't like the flow of the new app. I find it's not as customizable, and they're kind of gearing people towards the trainer-led classes, because they do have a lot more of these exercises added in. And I'm pretty sure they got rid of the 45-minute exercise ones. All workouts. There's no filter for it. 10 minute, 10 minutes. Yeah, 45 minutes. Let's do 45. Pretty sure this one, I think, is, most of these are video. Power and control, I think that's one I did before. It's the whiteboard format. So you see, you have to do your 12 hurdle steps, tin soldiers, knee hugs, like that. So you can't click into these. Like, this is your to-do list. If you don't know how to do it, you go in here and then you play the video to do it. And once you're done, then you click on the next one. Then you do your 4 glute walks, blah, 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 pogo hops. If you don't know it, then you click into it. So it's not as logical. Your skill strength, control strength, burn out, core, cool down, and then you complete the workout. And that's how this is the new way of the previous NTC app. Then you complete the workout and then you're done. So that's my quick review of the NTC app, and the reason why I'm not making new videos with this app. If you have any comments or suggestions, or maybe new apps that you want me to try out, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.